just run through all the basic stuff. And Lisa, this is exactly what I'd be doing if this was your product. So you can just apply what I'm going to say to your product, okay? Let's run through all the basic stuff. So let's start with title. So we've got the title, well done. So he's got his Cadenza, which is his brand. Amazon likes that. Kitchen scale, bamboo, multifunction. So that would be his search term there, kitchen scale bamboo. We'll go and check out how he's doing for that in just a second. So that's good. He's got 4 customer reviews, so that's pretty good. A good place to start, certainly. More is always better, but 4 is a great place to start. 4 would be, I think, the bare minimum that you would need. Preferably, I don't normally start doing any paid advertising until I've got 5 reviews, because you want to show people who are thinking about buying that other people have purchased before them and had a good experience. Price. So currently it is $19.99. I don't know if that's a good price. Seems pretty reasonable for bamboo kitchen scales for me, but I don't know for sure. And it's not on sale or anything like that. There's no discounts available for it. So that's one thing, should Damo ever wish to, that he may consider, is to put the thing, to make it say $25 normally, currently on sale $19.99, for instance. That usually works well. Images. So he's giving away a great ebook, which looks very well done, a recipe book. So is healthy meals, 15 healthy meals for busy bees. Now, you could start getting into the people who order a bamboo kitchen scale. What sort of recipe book are they going to be interested in? You could go down that avenue and think about the actual, the mix, the meshing of those two things. What do people who order a bamboo kitchen scale actually like to eat? And then your recipes reflect that. I don't know, I haven't done the research, but I'd certainly be interested in finding that out. And then let's have a look at the rest of the images. So notice on these images as well. Here we go, let's just do it this way instead. So that's nice. Got his nice little shot of the product being used, which is always a good thing to do. And of course, he's got his brand on there too. Then we've got a breakdown of how it works and how this will actually reduce the number of complaints he gets as well, because it shows people how to use it. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. Again, that's a great image to use because it shows people exactly what to do. And that makes it 4 steps. You feel like that's really, really easy to do. Notice the images. Damo, who did your images for you? Very well done. Notice the images are done very professionally. It's got his logo on there again. And then he's got 15 healthy meals. So he's selling the book now as well, which is great. The large, giving it an idea of the area and how it looks. And then underneath it shows that it comes with batteries. Ooh, that's a great little plus. Comes with batteries to do that. Now, there's only one other image. Let's think about who the person who buys the product is. So, is the person, oh, Craig did them. Craig Sewell did these images. Let me just show you. Let's do a little plug for Craig. So if you want images done like that, and I think you should have your images done like that, Craig's done a bloody awesome job of them, then the way that you get them done is by tagging Craig Sewell in a post on Facebook. And the way you do that is you come here, you put the ad sign, and it's Craig Sewell, like that. And that's Craig just there who comes up. Okay, so just tag Craig like that, and he'll know that you're interested in getting your images done. Dead easy to do. All right, so let's continue on. The buyer of this product, is this a male or female who's probably going to buy this product? Male or female? What do you reckon, folks? Female, absolutely female. Okay, so given that it's a female buying this product, there's one other image that would make a lot of sense. There's one of, well, I would question that testing. How many have you sold, Damon? There's one other image that definitely makes sense, And that's an image that shows the product in the kitchen. It shows the product in the kitchen so that if you look at places like IKEA, let's just go to IKEA and their website. These are some of the best testers in the world, by the way. IKEA. Hopefully that'll get us there. What they do with that when they're selling things, I don't want to be in Portugal. Let's go to Australia because I'll have to translate it and I don't want to do that for you. When they're doing their selling things is they will show the product being used in the kitchen itself. So for instance, like this. So they'll show the products in the kitchen and then point out so you can see at a glance how it will look in a kitchen. And I think that's a really, really interesting thing to show, that people like to see how the product will actually look in situ as it's being used. And it really, really works. So I think an image like that would be the only other image I'd add. I think that you've done a brilliant job of the images, and I'm really nitpicking because you've done such a good job. But if I was going to do one more image, because you've got some images left, you might as well use all your real estate. That is the other image I could do, and Craig will be able to do that for you. Just insert the image into a lifestyle-esque picture. He'll be able to do that for you, no worries at all. All right, so let's continue on. Good use of the bullets, all taken care of completely. Let's continue down. And now we've got a great, that as well. The product description is all good. So the last thing we're going to check now. So I think you've done a great job on your listing. So let's just now see what you're ranking for, and what should I say, indexed for. Okay, so the way to see, what I'm looking for now is to see what's actually indexed for the product. So what have we got indexed? What words that Damien's trying to rank for are indexed for? So is he indexed for the word bamboo? He is. See here it says 1 result. Okay. Is he indexed for the word kitchen? Notice that you do these words individually, because that's how Amazon actually treats them. Even though you may try and rank for a phrase, it doesn't care about that. What it cares about is individual words. That's why you need to check that you actually... All right, so you're now we know that you are indeed listed, or indexed, should we say, for all of your main search terms. So let's just try searching for you now. Bamboo kitchen scale. Bada boom, bada bing. So he is page 1, position 1 for his main search term, bamboo kitchen scale. Now, let's just click on that. I just want to see what comes up in there, because then the kitchen wants to scale. That's a shame. Somebody now go to Google for me and search on google.com.au for the search term send to all. Search for that and let me know if it actually comes up anywhere in the search, because that would be the next thing I'd go check. Where does it rank outside of Amazon? Now let's just check. Kitchen scale. Yeah, you're up against a world of difference, because you've got 40,000 results now. See what you've done, what Damien's done is very, very smart. He has gone for a niche term, which is bamboo kitchen scale, where he's only got 132 people to compete against. And as you can see, his is the best. He's done the best job. Out of all these people, he's doing the best job. Absolutely. You've done a good job, Damo. There's no surprise you're making a lot of sales, mate. There's no surprise you're making a lot of sales. And it does rank, Haley says. All right, so you've also got Google search term working for you. So the only other thing that I would start doing now is I would do everything I can to get as much outside traffic as possible to this listing. Things like Facebook ads, Google AdWords, maybe not YouTube ads with this, but certainly I would possibly use an influencer on YouTube to get some additional sales in. You've got everything in place. As you're making sales, now's the time to maximize the amount of sales you make by getting outside traffic to a demo. So Facebook, Google search, Bing search, maybe even Instagram. I'm going to talk about Instagram in a bit. That's your next steps, mate. But you've done an awesome job. You should be congratulated. There's no doubt in my mind why you're doing so well and making sales. It's because you've done such a good job of getting everything right in the first place, mate. So well done. That's fantastic work. All right. That was great. It's a shame, weirdly, that Damo's done such a great job, because there wasn't much I could actually add to that without going deeper into the outside traffic sources. So maybe another time we'll do another one, and hopefully I'll be able to give some additional things you can do on the actual listing. That price point I like. Compared to the others, it's doing well. Everything's good. Doing good. I love it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.